Tip 1. If no probe is detected near the display device, the app will continue to search for an available probe. Ensure that the probe is turned on and move it close to the display device. Orient the probe and app display device next to one another. Tip 2. If there are multiple probes available near the display device with the app, the closest probe will be detected. If you need to pair with a specific device, turn off the others or remove them from the vicinity of the app. Tip 3. If your display device is in flight mode, you will need to manually activate the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your display device. Tip 4. Please note that if you are using a personal hotspot as your connection, Wi-Fi will not be available for connecting to Vscan Air.